Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to create customer satisfaction survey using Google Forms. Google Forms is a free service provided by Google. If you have a free Gmail account, you can create it yourself free of cost. So let's get started and see practically step by step how you can create the customer satisfaction survey. Before we start creating the form, let me show you how it will look. So we will be creating exactly this kind of form from scratch. So here we have full name, company name, contact number, rating scale, and when you fill this form or your customer will fill this form, and moment they click on submit, you will get the response in this Google Sheet which is connected to the form. So let's get started. Open Google Drive on your computer. I have created a folder called customer satisfaction survey in my Google Drive. Click on new. Click on Google Forms. It will create a new form for you. Give it a title. Right now it is showing you it is untitled form. So we will give it a title. Customer Satisfaction Survey. Here you will see form description. We can give a small description about this form. Please provide your feedback by filling this form. This will help us improve our products and services for you. I have created a list of questions here that I will be including in the customer satisfaction survey form. So instead of typing, I'll copy and paste these questions from here. Full name, this untitled question, we can type your full name here. Next question is, these are the basic details. Company name, contact number. So in case they are not happy, so that you can contact them to know what exactly they are expecting from your business or company, from your products and services. So these three are the basic details of the customer. Now these questions are related to the exact survey to collect the feedback from your customers. How would you rate the value for money of the product? Click on add question. It will create a new blank question for you. Paste it. And here on the right side we have these options: short answer, paragraph, multiple choice, checkboxes, drop down, file upload, linear scale, multiple choice grid, checkbox, date and time. These are the options available, and depending upon the type of questions that we are asking, we have to choose the particular type here. So in this we are going to collect the rating from the customer. Rating will be from 1 to 5. So here we have to select linear scale. Here it is mentioned 1, 5. So 1 is the lowest and 5 being the highest rating. We can also mention what 1 denotes here and what is meant by 5. So let's say if the customer selects 1, so we can give him a hint: this is waste of money, and 5 rating means absolute value for money. Similarly, we can create other questions from here. Click add question. How satisfied are you with our products and services? Copy, paste it here. See, Google Form is intelligent enough to identify, based on the questions that we are typing here or pasting here, it is giving us suggestions. So we have the option to accept the suggestions given by Google Form. I'll click on add all. when I click on add all, it will add all the options, very satisfied, satisfied, these 5 options here, add all. So it has given us all the options automatically. This saves your time. And here it has already selected multiple choice type based on the question that we are mentioning here. Next question is, how does our product service make you feel? Add question, paste it. Again, it has selected multiple choice on our question, but based on this question it is not giving any hint here. So I have listed down 3 options here. Happy. In option 1 we'll type happy. Next is disappointed. You can change the option as per your requirement. Neutral. So here in this question I am giving my customer 3 options to choose from: happy, disappointed or neutral. But you can change these options as per your requirement. Next question is, what are your suggestions to improve our products, services in the future? Paste it. Here, see, based on the question, it has selected the option, the question type paragraph here, because Google has identified this question that the customer will be typing in the form of paragraph. It may be a long answer from the customer. The last question is, will you recommend our services to your personal and professional network? Add question. Paste or type the question here, and again it has identified this question as multiple choice question. Google thinks that the customer will answer this question in the form of yes, no and maybe. We can accept the suggestion given by Google, or we can have our own choice also. So I'll accept the suggestion, add all, and it will add all the 3 options here: yes, no and maybe. So now we have completed creating this form. We can add few more things. Here if you notice, there is an option called customize theme. Like for example, if you want to add branding to this form based on your company, so here you will see the option customize theme. When you click on customize theme, you will see these options, and you have the option to choose an image to be added to the header section. So I'll click on choose image. It is giving me 3 options: themes, these are pre-built themes; upload, if you have your own image with you, you can browse and drag a file here, and it can pick it from the photos. So I'll choose it from the theme. Right now I will select let's say this one. Select the image, click on insert, and it will add this image on the header. Cross this. Now the form is completely ready. Now there is one important thing that is yet to be done. You will see 3 options here: questions, responses, settings. So I'll go to responses. Now it is showing waiting for responses. When someone will fill this form, the response will get recorded in a Google Sheet in the backend. Google Form creates the Google Sheet automatically. For this, we have to just click on this icon, and it will ask 2 options: create a new spreadsheet, select existing spreadsheet. So just leave this option as it is and click on create. See, it has created the Google Sheet automatically, and in the top row it has given, this is the timestamp. It will also record when someone fills the form, it will record the date and time of the form at the time when the form is filled, and all the questions are listed here as headings. So we'll see practically by filling the form. and how this sheet will get populated. Another thing is that settings. There is one important setting that I must show you here in presentation. After submission, confirmation message. So by default Google gives your response has been recorded. This doesn't look very professional, so you can click on edit and add your custom message. This message will be visible to the customer after he submits the form. So here we can mention, thank you for giving your valuable feedback. We shall try our best to work on it. Click on save, and now the form is ready. Now next step is we have to send this form to our customer. How the customer will get this form and fill it? Here a button is available, send. Click on this, and this gives us three options. Send via, this is via email, if you want to send the form via email to your customer, and this is for the link, if you want to send a link to your customer via WhatsApp or some other tool, or even if you want to publish this link on social media, you can publish the link on social media to collect the feedback from your customers. Here is an option, shorten URL. So this URL, this link is very long. If you click on shorten URL, it will shorten the URL, and you can just copy it and send this link to your customers. And the third option is embed HTML. Here this option is useful when you want to embed or include this form in your website. So now let's try to fill this form and see the response. For this I will click on link and I will copy this link, and I will open incognito window. Here I will paste the link and it will open the form like this. And I'll show you side by side. I'll keep the window side by side. So here on the left side of the screen I have my Google Sheet here, and on the right side I have customer satisfaction survey form. So let's start filling the form and see on the left how the response will be added to the Google Sheet. Here the rating scale, how would you rate the value for money of the product? 5. How satisfied are you with our products and services? Very satisfied. How does our product service make you feel? Happy. What are your suggestions to improve our products services in the future? You can improve your marketing. Will you recommend our services to your personal and professional network? Yes. And now watch. The moment you will click on the submit button, you will get the response here. See. And here it is giving us the confirmation message. Thank you for giving your valuable feedback. Oh, sorry, my mistake. Value feedback. It should be valuable. We shall try our best to work on it. And let's see the response here. Just maximize it. The information that I filled in the form is captured here, and you can distribute this form to as many people as you want, and whenever they will fill the form, the response will get recorded in this sheet automatically. And one more thing I wanted to show you, if you go to responses, it will start showing you the summary instantly here. And even if someone is filling the form from the mobile, suppose your customer doesn't have the computer at the moment that he is filling the form, so they can fill the form using their mobile also. So if you found this video useful, please like this video and share it with your friends. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe right now. Thank you so much.